Yeah. Yeah, and then body. Right body. Yeah. Right foot forward more. Come close. Step and shoulder forward, same time. That's it there. Then uppercut. Boom. Boom, yeah. Again. Yes, yes. Uppercut, yeah. Good, let's go. Power, come on. Yeah. Get more close. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Get back there. Stay southpaw, pivot, touch, that's it. And then left, boom, from southpaw. Then step back. Yeah? Hands up. Smooth. Yeah. Actually, it'd be better if you're getting close to a hook uppercut. Boom. Body. Now I'm gonna move my shoulder here. Turn. Every time you want to turn, shoulder and then pull it back. Yeah. Smoother. Yeah.
Slingshot, right?
So let's go hook uppercut instead. So you're in close, you manage to close the range, hook uppercut.
Hook. Oh, sorry. Hook.
I'm about to step. Uppercut.
No, uppercut first.
Yeah. Hook, uppercut, step, uppercut, body, shoulder.
Uppercut. Body.
Shoulder. Yeah, shoulder now. Yeah, and then pull back. Straight. Yeah. Yeah.
Am I going with hook uppercut?
Yeah, so left hook first.
Was that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. So hook uppercut, get in, uppercut, hook. Uppercut, hook. Yeah.
You're gonna lean on the person as well. Bam, bam. Get your hands up. Boom, boom. Yeah.
Yeah.
Change stance.
Fuck you up.
Oh man. Can't. I'll tell you why. Go there again. Right, here, now throw the right straight.
Yeah, that's you though.
Yeah, change guard. Change guard. Change guard. Now throw the left straight. It's going to keep on coming. It's got more of a chance. And it's a different angle. It's a new angle.
Yeah.
I'm used to that side. When you change, I've got all different fucking angles to worry about.
Makes sense.
So yeah, it can be. Obviously, it's still good, but
No, it makes sense.
mine's better.
Nice.
That's because you're not changed. Step in there.
Slow with that.
Left shoulder forward. That's it. No. Really step.
Yeah.
There. It's not this.
Yeah.
Forward. Close. Come on. Step. Close.
Push.
Yes.